the reason na nandito kami and the reason we filed the case is because number one, for the truth to come out. Number two, to affirm that Atong Ang and the members of this the investors group are willing to cooperate with government. With government that includes the President, that includes the Supreme Court, and that includes the Secretary of Justice and all the personnel, no? To come out with the truth. We are on the side of justice here. We are on the side of the families who lost their loved ones, who up to now do not know kung saan ang kanilang mga kapamilya, no, kamag-anak, no. So sana sa mabibigay namin ng ebidensya sa complaint na to, because meron mga affidavits dito, no. Sana mabasa rin ng gobyerno, and we will furnish them a copy so that sundan nila yung mga leads. Hindi lang isang lead lang na false pa and misleading. Huwag silang maniwala sa hearsay evidence na isang whistleblower na alam natin, based on personal knowledge, na siya ang nag-i-extort. Kasi ang pera-pera lang to, at sinabi niya na gusto na niyang umalis ng country, no. Ang pag inosente ka na tao, gusto mong harapin ang kaso para maklear ang pangalan mo. Yung mga feeling guilty lang, sila ang gustong tumakbo. Sila ang gustong mag-disappear. So, tignan natin ang mangyayari sa investigation. Pero dito sa kaso, we are very confident that there is strong evidence for the 5 cases that we have filed on behalf of Atong Ang.